Hi, David. Okay, so I'm going to do this first because I feel like this will be easier for you to get set up. And then if you have specific questions, we can just keep messaging back and forth and even jump on Zoom at some point. Okay, so I'm just on the English 4 page, what yours should look like. And I went to 12.3 research project. And then I went down and I went to research paper outline template just to look at what it would look like. And so this is what an example of a research outline would look like. So it's really simple. It doesn't really need to be anything crazy. So you're going to start with your intro, some background, your thesis, and then you're going to go into your body. So let me open this up. And then I'm going to open a Word document with this on the side. So if I was starting my research paper, first of all, make sure you're in Times New Roman, size 12. Okay? So then I'm going to start with my introduction. And I got some background and thesis. So I know you were talking about doing police brutality. So I'm just going to kind of go off of that. And then if you aren't doing that, you can just change it. So I would say something like police brutality, something that has affected people throughout time in America. Police brutality has specifically affected Black Americans more than white Americans. So background, I would probably just give like my definition of police brutality. So you could just do that. And then for my thesis statement, this is going to be like my claim, okay? So I'm going to say something like police brutality negatively affects Black people, and there needs to be more laws that stop police brutality. Okay, so that would be my thesis. So that's my claim that I'm going to be looking at throughout the entire essay. So now if I'm going to my body, my first topic is going to be laws surrounding police brutality. Okay, and then my point here is that there's not enough laws. Okay, so then I'm going to find two pieces of evidence. So this is going to be in one of the articles that you found from Gale. So remember that password is Empire Link. So I'm going to go onto Gale and I'm going to look for two pieces of evidence and I'm going to put it there. Okay, you don't even really need to put the evidence into your outline. You can literally just type evidence. Okay, so now if I'm going into my next point, so this is point A. So this is actually my topic. And then my point would be that there's not enough laws, okay? So you're gonna give me evidence, and then your next topic could be something like historical events about police brutality. Okay? And then you're gonna give evidence, evidence. And then if we're gonna go to our third topic, then we can do another topic. We could do something about let me think. We could do like how attitudes towards cops, because police brutality causes negative attitudes towards cops, which we know. So then you're going to find evidence about those, and then you just go to your conclusion. Okay, so here you're just going to literally summarize what you just talked about, and then you're going to restate your thesis. Okay. So I hope this helps you get started. You can use anything that I've put in here to help you. Just make sure you go on to Gale, and I'm going to type in make sure you go to Buffalo Public Schools, and you go to students, and then you go to library resources, and then you're going to go to Gale, opposing viewpoints, and the password is EmpireLink. Okay, let me move this up just in case my little head is blocking it. So that is a step-by-step of how to get there. I'm going to also send you this document so you can use it yourself, and you can literally open this up and start using it. So I hope this helps you, David. Let me know if you need any more help, and I got you. Okay.